Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. As you can see, there is a big box right in front of me, and we're gonna unbox it right now. Just for disclosure, Meepo sent this board to me, so let's see what's inside. I already know what's inside, but this is the first time that you guys will see it. A box inside a box, and like I said, it is from Meepo. I think I have to take out the box first. We have to unbox the box again, second time, but this is the actual physical box of the board. And look at that, there is a seal, right? It's from Meepo obviously, and it's not yet been opened. Not anymore. Okay, so we're finally gonna see what's inside the box, and look at that. I think you guys already know what this board is. Ooh, it's the Meepo Flow. The grip tape is actually different because it's, I don't know, this is not your standard grip tape. If you do this to other like electric skateboard grip tape, chances are you're gonna like have a scratch on your hand right now. So this is new. And the padding that they use at the back, this is not, it's not rubber, but this is a different texture for the support at the back, so that's interesting. Now once you remove the board, these are your standard accessories that you will get. Your skateboard tool, actually this is really handy to be honest with you, so that's really useful. The tool, the remote control for your Meepo. I'm gonna get the user manual. Let's put it aside. Your power brick, of course, to charge your skateboard. Your screws, just in case you need it. And some spare belt, which is a 255. Charging cable for your remote. Other than that, that's it. That's what you're gonna get from the accessory of the Meepo Flow. Okay, so now we are looking at the belly of the beast. This is a DKP. It has a 100A bushing right there, and the battery is a 12S 2P molicell, which has a 362.88 watt hour, and the N5S remote is also here. The ESC on this one is the Hobby Wing 9028 ESC. So as you can see, the back part, it has a standard bash guard, which is good to be honest. And for the actual motor, the motor has a dual 2519 right there. Now on the top part of the board, as you can see, the length from this all the way to the back part is 34.6 inches, and the width of the board is from this side all the way to this side is 9.5 inches. Now in terms of the deck, this is made from 2-ply fiberglass, 2-ply bamboo, and 5-ply Canadian maple. Now according to their website, this board can support up to 330 pounds. So if you are, I would say, a little bit heavy, then this board is right for you. If you just want a board that you can bring from point A to point B, which is not that heavy, because this board actually weighs around 21.4 pounds according to their website. It's not a heavy board and it's not a light board. I would say it's in the middle. Now the hill climb, they mentioned the hill climb of this board is actually 26%. So it really depends again on the rider. If you are a lightweight, I'm pretty sure this board can even climb higher than 26%. So something to keep in mind. For the wheel is actually a 105 millimeter right there, and it has a 72A durometer. As for the battery, the charge time I believe is 2 hours from 0 to 100%, so keep that in mind. Now for the remote, this is the N5S remote. Let's turn it on. Let's see if this one even has a power. Okay, so there you go. This is actually in gear 4, gear 1, gear 2, gear 3, and gear 4. Double tap, reverse, double tap, forward. So in gear 1, you can achieve a top speed of 9 miles per hour. Gear 2, 18 miles per hour. Gear 3, 27 miles per hour. And the last gear, 34 miles per hour. Reverse that. And the range that you can get for this one is 24 miles, which, if that is accurate, this is a nice commuter board. But then again, that range will depend on the weather condition, the rider's weight, and how you ride the board. Now, the design of the board is actually unique. Like, let's start with the grip tape, because the grip tape is a sand-blasted grip tape. Like, it's not your standard grip tape where you accidentally scratch it. I'm pretty sure you're gonna get some scratches and chances are you're gonna bleed. But with this one, it's really unique on its own way, because even if you scratch your hand or something, you accidentally scratch your legs or whatever, I don't think you're gonna get some like scratches or be bleeding or something like that. Also, the EVA padded tail pad, that's what they call it, it's really soft. Plus the design, if you can see here, the back part, there is a curve. Like, if you have this one, I'm not an expert on this one, guys, so if you want to make a U-turn, you can do this. Like, again, I'm not an expert, but I can do it easily. Well, not easily, it took some time, at least like 3 to 4 times before I got the hang of it. But for some people out there who really know how to do this, I'm pretty sure they'll find this one useful. Or you can just, you know, step down and be lazy and do this one. It's also easy to make a U-turn. For the top speed, I was able to achieve 28 miles per hour according to the remote. The advertised top speed on this one is 32 miles per hour. So that will depend on the rider's weight, weather condition, all those things. For the range, I got at least 15 miles on one charge. Again, that will depend on your weight and the temperature outside. I almost fell at least twice. It's not the board's fault, it's just that there was a lot of branches where I was riding, and I'm really surprised how stable this is, even though there's some like branches, trust me, and small pebbles or rocks, because I almost fell. Like, I was doing the speed test and then all of a sudden I didn't see that there was a thick branch. It's a good thing I was able to recover and I didn't fall, so that's a good news. My total weight while I was riding was around like 180 pounds, including the gear that I have with me, so that will also affect the range and the top speed of the board. Now, the only thing that kind of bothers me is that when you're riding this for like more than 10 miles, what I got was 15 miles, you're gonna feel like from your knees all the way down to your feet, you're gonna feel the vibration. And to some people it's a good exercise, but something to keep in mind that if you're gonna use this one and the road is not flat, you will feel some of the vibration that is coming from the board. Then again, that's just my personal experience, but if you ride this one on a flat surface, this is like really perfect. So there you go, guys, that's my review for the Meepo Flow. Now, who is this board for? Well, that will depends on the user. Now, if you're in a budget and you want a short board, well, this is not technically a short board, but it's also not a long board. It's in the middle. So if you want to have a board that's not heavy, at the same time you can bring it anywhere, this is really good for you, because the design itself, it's really portable, but the range, you have to keep that in mind. What do you guys think about this board? Comment down below what you guys think. I would like to know if you want this board for yourself, or this is perfect for your friend or someone you know. This is the Silent Ghost Reaper, and I'm out. See you guys on the next one.